What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. So before we get to the lesson, let's first get some haircut, and then after that we're gonna get to the lesson. Today I've got something very important which I want to share with everyone right here, and I'm saying just make sure you watch the full video. Yes sir. So now my haircut is done. I'm not sure, guys, what do you see? Am I looking good? Just comment below. Leave the comment below. Let me know. Let me know, guys, if I should change the haircut, you know, and say, or I should continue with this one. Just let me know. Leave the comment below. Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I'm not in my office, you know, I say I'm actually outside, but you know, the business that we do, guys, is the business that gives you a freedom. If you are a forex trader, you already know how it is. So all you need for you to make money is a laptop, phone, your phone, and a network. So I always make sure that I've got a phone with me, I've got a network in my phone, and I always make sure that I've got a laptop with me, because anytime I open my laptop and start checking the market. So as we speak, guys, I have something that I want to share with you today. You know, I say it's a Monday. You know, I say we're trying to make some money Monday. You know, I say we still at 8 o'clock. You know, I say in the morning. So I have something, guys, I want to share with you today. You know, I say especially for these who want to become profitable. The first thing you need to do, guys, is that don't force yourself in the market. You know what I'm saying? When you look at the chart and you don't see an opportunity, don't force yourself to make sure that you took a trade for the day. You know what I'm saying? When there is no trade in the market, make sure don't do anything. Chill out. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you. Let me show you something. So as you can see here, guys, my strategies, guys, is very easy, and I want to deliver this to you guys. This is what I do sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Because once you already understand that the market moves high and high lows, high and high lows, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you don't even need to do the analysis. But when you see me doing the analysis, most of the time I do them for you guys to understand. But for me, if it's the trade that is the trade that I just need to take for myself and my team, sometimes I don't even need the you know, I don't even need the analysis on the chart. You know what I'm saying? Because everything you can see, guys, they are clear. How will you not understand that this is the pullback? How will you not understand that if you look at this candle right here? How would you not understand that the pullback has been done? You know what I'm saying? The pullback has been completed. It's time to take the opportunity and go longer. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I do, guys, sometimes. You know what I'm saying? For my trade, this is what I do. So right now, I'm looking at the chart. This is what I do. As you can see here, guys, as you can see here, I'm outside. You know what I'm saying? I'm outside. I'm actually chilling outside. Look. You know what I'm saying? I'm chilling somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to have some hair fresh. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do. So yes sir, you can see. So look at this. As you can see here, now it's time. I want to check the market. I want to show you guys how I do it for me to get these entries. You know what I'm saying? When you see me killing the market, I want to show you how I do it in a very simple steps. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I do. All right, you can see here, this one right here, this is Nasdaq Kate. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go to this one, KDCHF. For me, no entry for me. I'm gonna check another one. This one here, I can see that has been, you know, blocked the trend line. You know what I say? And you know, we're expecting some pullback maybe around this point here. around this point here. It's supposed to be like this, around this point here. And then after that, we're gonna take some opportunity from this one, and I'm gonna check another one. You know what I'm saying? This one right here, it's also still on you know, still on high. We're still waiting for the high low. So there's nothing we can do on the market at the moment, because the whole market, guys, still no opportunity yet. You know what I'm saying? So if you are not making money from Forex market today, I have these 3 things which I want to tell you. And I think these 3 things, they are very important for you. If you can do these things, you're going to see yourself starting making this money from the market, starting seeing these withdrawals from the market. You know what I'm saying? So here's the thing you need to do, right? First thing first, right? Keep this in mind. Don't force yourself in the market. That's the first thing you need to do. Don't force yourself in the market. If you look at the chart, you don't see no opportunity, bro. Don't force yourself like, yo, I have to trade. I have to make sure I took a trade. No, you don't have to take a trade. You know what I'm saying? There is no trade. There's no trade. Tomorrow is another day. Save your capital. Keep your capital safe. Come back tomorrow. The market is not always the same. The market is moving every second. You know what I'm saying? Every second the market is moving. If the market didn't give you the opportunity today, it's going to give you the opportunity tomorrow. Second thing, don't overtrade. I always recommend you guys this. Do not overtrade. How do you overtrade? Overtrade is when you took a first trade and then it gives you a profit. You know what I'm saying? You see yourself already make a profit, but you still want to take another trade just because you see, oh, you know, still early. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you took the first trade, you made $500. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, you need to, once you see yourself already make a profit, bro, close your computer, close your laptop, come back tomorrow, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because yes, obvious, you can, you know, you can take another trade. You know what I'm saying? After you made a profit like $500 for the first trade, you can take another one. But don't trade too much just because you made the profit from the first pair, and then you want to take more pairs from the just because you already make your profit. Because what is going to happen to you is that you already make your first $500, and then you want to take all the you want to go heavy, even more than even the lot size you were using to the first trade. You want to add more lot size. This is where you're going to lose even the profit that you made from the market. Second thing, once you took a loss, first loss, you take another one, it's a loss. So there is that mindset which is gonna tell you like, yo, you know what you need to do? Since you already lose 2 trades, take the third one. Maybe it's gonna cover a loss. You know what I say? Take the fourth one. It's still the same day, right? Take the fourth one. Maybe it's going to cover a loss. You know what I say? No, do not do that. You take the first loss. Down. It's a bad day. You know what I say? You take the second loss. Down. It's a bad day. Hey, close your computer. Close your laptop. Go do something else. You know what I say? Come back tomorrow, bro. You know what I say? Don't overtrade, bro. Once you take a profit, relax. Get done with the day. Come back tomorrow. I start trading, bro. I was making $2 a day. $2 a day. I shifted $5 a day. If I make like $5 a day, I'm done. I'll come back tomorrow again to the market. So learn yourself to control your mindset. Learn yourself to control your emotions. Emotions are your enemy, bro. Emotions, bro, are your enemy. Once you start learning how to control your emotion, this is how you're going to become a profitable trader. You know what I'm saying? The last thing which I want to tell you guys, is that if you see that this strategy made you a profit, all right, all you need to do is that go back to the chart, check the reason why you won the trade. And once you see the reason why you won the trade, please use it as your opportunity. Find the same trade with the same reason. You understand? Do that over and over and over and over. That's how you're going to find the 100% or 99% winning strategy. You know what I'm saying? Don't switch to this strategy today and tomorrow you switch to this strategy. You know what I'm saying? Stick on the strategy that made you a profit and check the reason why you made a profit. Use the same reason as opportunity for every day. Do the same thing for over 2 months. You know what I'm saying? If you made a profit with a blackout market, the market was, you know, like blackout from the zone or blackout from the trend line, use it as opportunity. Do the same trade, the same market for over a month. Look for, you know, breakouts market. Once you see the market is breaking out from the trend line, use the same reason. Take that trade today. Tomorrow, once you see a market that is breaking out, you know, from the zone, use the same opportunity. You know what I'm saying? You know, this is how you're going to become a profitable. This is how you're going to find your own strategy that makes you money than anybody else. Because we are traders, but we trade in a different ways. Everybody got his own favorite strategy that gives him money. You know what I'm saying? I have my own strategy that I saw that makes me money, and then I stick on the same reason of taking the market. So peace out, guys. I hope you learned something from this. So keep this in mind and do these things. Come back later. You're gonna thank me. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe and like. I'm about to go get some haircut. Peace out. So guys, I'm right here. I'm about to